This is a CCEA A2 pure paper. This one's from June 2023, and we're taking a wee look then at question 6. So I've already got it started. Let's see what we have here. In round 1 of the game show, contestants get a prize of £100 for their first correct answer. With each subsequent correct answer, the prize money per question increases by 50. Mandy won a total of 3250. How many questions did she get correct? So it's up to you to spot. This is an arithmetic series. Starts with 100. Then goes to 150, then goes to 200 and 250 and so on. So we're going to use our formula here, and it's a sum. She wins a total of 3250. This isn't the nth term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. So our first A is 100. That's our first term, and the common difference then is D. And we're going to use our sum formula here. So it's going to be Sn equals n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1. So starting to fill in the blanks, and it's going to be 3250 is n over 2. 2a's is going to be 200 plus n minus 1 upon 50. Just for convenience, I'm going to times through by 2. I'll get rid of the 2 here. So that means then 6500 equals n upon 200 plus 50 n minus 50. That gives me 6500 equals n upon 150 plus 50 n. 6500 equals 150 n plus 50 n squared. Rearranging gives me 50 n squared plus 150 n minus 6500 equals 0. Dividing everything then by 50, I'm going to get n squared plus 3n and 65. I mean, that's going to be 130, I think. And equal to 0, and that factorizes reasonably straightforwardly. It's going to be 10 and 13. Can you see that? So it's going to be, let me see, n minus 10 and n plus 13. So my possible values then is n equals 10 or n is minus 13. I'm thinking she didn't get minus 13 questions right. That one's not possible. So she answered then 10 questions in total. On then to part 2. In round, you can't see that. In round 2 of the game, the prize values are different but are awarded in the same way. John answers 6 questions correctly and won 2, 3, 2, 5. Martha answered 3 questions correctly and won 8, 2, 5. Find the amount each contestant won for their first question and the increase in prize money per question in round 2. So it's the same formula we need. We need S of n is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, and we have the s of n and we have the n, and we need to find the n and the d. So it's going to be simultaneous equations then. So for John, it's going to be 2, 3, 2, 5, and that then is 6 over 2, so that's going to be 3 upon 2a plus 6 minus 1, so it's going to be 5d. Rearranging that, let me see, we get 2, 3, 2, 5 equals 6a plus 15d. Then for Martha, she won 825 and she got 3 questions right, so it's 3 over 2 upon 2a plus 2d. Just to tidy this up, I'm going to multiply by 2, so times this by 2 gives me 1650 equals 3 upon 2a plus 2d. That gives me 1650 equals 6a plus 6d. So there's my 2 equations there and my 2 unknowns. I'm going to subtract those. So let's see. We have 2, 3, 2, 5 taking 1650, and that gives me 675 and then the 6A, take away the 6A, disappears, and the 15, that gives me then 9D. By 9, so my difference then is 75. So if I substitute that in then to either of those, this one's kind of an easier one here. 675s I think then are 675s here, then I think give me 450. Taking that away, that gives me 1200. So my A then is going to be 200. So it says find the first question. So first question is £200, and then the increase is then £75.